Practice simple English. Hi, how are you?
I'm good, thanks.
What's your name?
I'm Mike. My name is Mike.
Where are you from?
I'm from Australia. I've come from the UK.
Where were you born?
I was born in 1991.
What month were you born in?
I was born in June.
Are you married?
Yes, I am married.
How many children do you have?
I have 2 children.
What do you do?
I own a business.
What kind of business do you have?
I have a design business.
What is your phone number?
My phone number is 123548769.
What's your email address?
It's english@gmail.com.
Could you please give me a favor?
I'd be happy to help you.
Could you hold this for a minute?
No problem.
What time do you get up?
I usually get up at 7:30 a.m.
What time do you have breakfast?
I have breakfast at 8 a.m.
What time do you go to bed?
I go to bed at 10:45 p.m.
How did you learn English?
I've been studying by myself.
How many languages do you speak?
I speak many languages.
What's the date today?
23rd of November.
Where do you want to go?
I'd like to go to an Italian restaurant.
What's your favorite food?
My favorite food is pizza.
Do you like spicy food?
A little.
What's going on here?
Nothing special.
How long does it take?
It takes 5 hours.
It's very cool today.
Yes, because it rained yesterday.
Are you working tomorrow?
No, I'll take leave tomorrow.
Where do you spend time most?
I like to spend reading books.
Can you name one book for good time?
Yes, sure, I'd share it.